If you have been watching the Forex trading space lately, it seems the buzzword is funded accounts and prop firms. Everyone, mentors and beginner traders alike, seems to be looking at how they can also become a funded trader and make lots of money. So today, we will answer one of the commonly asked questions regarding prop firms. Can you trade for multiple proprietary prop trading firms? We often hear about prop firms offering access to capital, training and resources, but is it possible and practical to work with more than one? Stay tuned as we reveal the answer and much more. Remember to watch the entire video. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy. So watch them after watching this video. For everything else, free Forex courses, free Forex robots, free indicators, and the broker that I use personally, see the links in the description box below. Understanding prop trading firms. Before we delve into the details, let's understand what prop trading firms are. Proprietary trading firms use their own funds to trade various financial instruments, aiming to make direct profits for themselves rather than on behalf of clients. These firms often employ experienced traders and offer sophisticated tools to capitalize on market opportunities. The benefits of trading with multiple prop firms. Trading with multiple prop firms can offer several advantages. Firstly, it diversifies your risk since you are not reliant on a single firm. Secondly, you gain access to different trading strategies, software, and mentorship, which can enhance your trading skills. Additionally, trading with multiple firms can compound your trading capital, accelerating your journey to financial independence. Prerequisites for trading with multiple prop firms. Trading with multiple prop firms requires careful planning. Firstly, ensure you have a well-defined trading strategy with a positive expectancy. Having a proven edge is essential before engaging with multiple firms. Secondly, managing multiple accounts demands extra time and effort, so make sure you can handle the workload effectively. Risks of trading with multiple prop firms. While there are benefits, there are also risks to consider. Some prop firms may have rules against trading with competitors or may not offer favorable profit splits. Moreover, dealing with multiple firms requires discipline and effective risk management to avoid overexposure. Success stories and expert insights. We reached out to successful traders who have traded with multiple prop firms, and they share their experiences and insights on how to manage and thrive in this setup. Additionally, we'll discuss top-rated prop trading firms for those looking to get started with this approach. In conclusion, trading with multiple prop firms can be a powerful strategy to enhance your trading career. By diversifying risk and accessing different resources, you can propel your trading journey to new heights. However, it requires careful planning, discipline, and risk management to succeed. That's it for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, remember to do your own research and make informed decisions. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.